What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another iProX Ruben video. And in today's video guys, so as you've seen guys, I did the unboxing for the PlayStation 5, but now I'm going to be doing a setup video so I can show you guys how to set up your PlayStation 5 if you got it brand new. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please do make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Without further ado guys, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, so now that we're back, the first thing that we're going to do is guys, we're going to connect our HDMI cable into the port right there. Perfect. And then for the people who don't have or not using Wi-Fi and using a WAN cable, a LAN cable, you also want to connect that in as well. But if you guys are using Wi-Fi, then you don't need to see this part because obviously that's it, you're done. And then now I'm going to connect the power cable and then we'll see the next part for the video. Guys, now that you've powered up your console, the next step for you to do is plug in your controller into the console, which I will do so now. So you want to do this by plugging in the USB-C connector cable into your PlayStation 5 at the front port. Connect it directly to your PlayStation 5 controller. And like the instructions say, you press onto the PlayStation button in the middle of the controller. Then you want to select your language. We're going to continue with that. So now this is the part where we adjust the border or display area. So you want to do it so there's no black like borders or anything behind the actual console area. Select OK. Next is the part where you want to select your power options. So we've got the low power use here. So one fact about the low power use is that you won't be able to do any updates. You won't be able to download any games through your PlayStation app to your console. This is just literally the lowest power consumption with nothing turned on. However, the optimized experience is the one where you're able to download and obviously update your software, games, turn on remote play, charge controllers, and so on and so forth. And then here you got the customs. So here I'm going to use optimized experience just for now. I'm going to select OK. Here you need to see the license agreement for obviously the PlayStation 5, which I'm going to agree to now. Here you want to download the update, so we're going to do that right now and we will be back when the update is finished. Alright guys, so we're back, and so now that we finished the update, we're going to press the PS button on your controller. And looks like we're going to download a software for our controller now, which should be quick. If you guys are enjoying today's video, please do make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe as well guys. And if I do miss out on anything, please let me know down in the comment section below. Now that we're nearly finished with the software, we're going to restart my controller. So this is the part where you're able to sign in and stuff. I'm going to actually create an account and I'll be back guys for when I signed in. Alright guys, once you finish signing into your account, the next thing you have to do is adjust your privacy settings. So I'm going to choose social and open, which basically means I like my chances to be connected, be seen and socialized. There's obviously team player, which is effortless multiplayer. And obviously you limit your real identity, anything for your crew, and then solo and focus. I'm going to select social and open. I'm going to click apply, confirm and continue. I'm going to secure my account. So these are the steps that you have to do for you to do this. I'm going to send a text message to them. I'm going to enter my mobile number, then I'll be back guys. And we're back guys, and I just received my code. So that is my code. Perfect guys, so after you selected your phone number for the code for the authentication, the next thing was your backup code. So in case if anything happens to your account, there'll be codes sent to your phone. Just make sure you record that, take a picture of it, and yeah guys, that should be all good. Now it's telling you to download which media apps, so obviously you can use that while you download your PlayStation. I'm gonna take away, actually I'm gonna keep all of them here, so I'm gonna download them now, and then after that, depending on whether we unfortunately I didn't have it. I might actually, no I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna do this later guys. So if you want, you can transfer all your files, your games and all your apps from PlayStation 4 to your PlayStation 5. And that's it guys, we've officially set up the PlayStation 5. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope I was helpful for you guys as well. Like I said, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't. And if I missed out on anything or if you've got any other questions, guys, please let me know down in the comment section below. AproX, we've been here, and I'm out.